My favorite part about woodworking is being able to see the process from the beginning till the end.
I think it's just really rewarding to see a thought in your head become a reality, just from the beginning of designing it through the building process and then finally having it done, and it could turn out better than what you pictured it to be.
WD-40 has definitely allowed us to live life hands-on, whether it's in the shop and we're keeping everything moving and functioning, or we're on a mountain and using it to lubricate our climbing gear. We love to travel, we love to build things, and WD-40 definitely allows us to do that a lot easier. So before, I think we were introduced to WD-40 through my dad. Working on different projects around the house, WD-40 was always there. And then as we transitioned into being woodworkers, we found the specialist line to get work around the shop done easier. Being a woodworker also means that we get to be creative pretty much every day of our lives, and that quickly transitioned into content creation, which allowed us to do more projects that fits younger people. And so my goal for our audience is hopefully to inspire a younger generation to actually get outside and build things with their hands and kind of go back to something that's been lost over the last decade or so. I really think that there needs to be a new surge in people using their hands to build things and make things for their home, so it's something I push for heavily. And I think that's what's so rewarding about what we do, whether we're building custom furniture for a client or just inspiring a younger generation. All of that tied together is the ultimate goal.
I'm Molly.
And I'm Dylan,
and we live life hands-on.